before I developed the peace process, the idea of just letting yourself feel your feelings, like that was a cool, I learned from Rafael Kushner. He calls it, living the questions. And it's like, what's happening now? Can you be with it? So it's just about like being present to it, not necessarily finding where it is and feeling the most intense part and really giving it your presence and all that stuff. And so, back in the day, it was like, okay, I was not feeling good today. I'm just like, okay, I'm going to do my coaching calls. I'm not going to try to like be in a great space and feeling what I'm feeling. I'm just going to coach and feel how I am. Just be authentic. Authenticity rules, by the way. Like, just the more you can be authentic, the better. The more you can be yourself, the better. Less you need to try to hide or, have any secrets. You can face all your stuff. Okay, so that was this brain scrambling technique. Does it matter what direction you're scrambling it? Let yourself be guided. I don't think it matters the direction, but if it does, just let yourself be guided. Okay. We did the pulling out the energy pulling. That's the energy pulling technique. You pull it out. You could also do replacing, where you take some energy, divine energy, pull it in your hand, or energy from your heart, and you could put it in the other place, or from your heart into the other person. You just replace energy. And we didn't really do the replacing, but partly we didn't have to, because we also did the energy tube, the instant miracle energy tube, the divine energy tube. So that didn't need to replace. As energy was going out, that was already flooding him anyway with divine energy. So that's the instant miracle tube. We did the syringe, where you could do it for yourself or for others, where you like jab yourself in the heart, pull some unconditional love out of the heart, and then jab it into wherever the person needs it, maybe in their heart or into the spot where the feeling is, and you plunge it down. They could do it for themselves, or you could do it for them. We talked about the unfurling the rose technique. That's a technique from Instant Miracle Mastery Level 1, where when the energy starts getting really balled up, then it can be hard to be present to it, because it's just like you're really being present to the resistance of the feeling and not the feeling itself. So you want to see if you can, like, if it's a balled up rose, a tight rosebud, you want to like take one of the petals, find a place where you can feel an edge on the feeling, and see if you can like break in to the center of the rose, or the center of the feeling. That's the unfurling of the rose technique. We did the scrubbing bubbles, where the energy, and then we did the divine rain to like wash off, the divine shower, the holy water shower, right, to shower off the scrubbing bubbles. We did the hands of God, where you get the energy going between your hands, and then you imagine a tiny version of yourself healing you, and then maybe a giant version of yourself healing you, and maybe infinitely tiny versions and infinitely large versions healing versions of yourself.